Show you the 2019 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, roof rack, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.